Free traffic from press release sites. Now, press releases are a tried and true method to drive traffic and build strong backlinks to your websites. A press release, it can be created for just about anything, from a new product, the creation of a new site, or even new content on your site. It really doesn't have to be that big of a deal for a press release to be created, okay? And there are lots and lots of different press release sites. Some of the most popular sites out there are PR Log, OpenPR, BeforeIt'sNews.com, Newswire Today, and Pressbox.co.uk. Those are some of the most popular press release sites out there. And you can see, we can go to prlog.org, and you can see right when you go to the website, it shows you, here's a link, you can submit your press release right here. And they do offer a free press release distribution service. And you can see, if we check over at Alexa, the website that judges the popularity of websites, you can see that this website, it's ranked around 2,000th most popular website. So out of the millions and millions of websites out there, Alexa, which is an authority on website rankings, has deemed this website worthy of the top 2,000. It's 2130 in the world. Now, another popular website that you can use is OpenPR. And you can see right up here, you can submit a press release free of charge. And what will happen is it'll get distributed out to different news outlets. Now, generally, you're not going to get tons and tons of free traffic from these sites, but the potential is there that you can, because they are highly trafficked websites, and they also submit your press release to other high traffic websites. And here's another website, BeforeIt'sNews.com, another website that allows you to submit your press release. Okay? Then there's Newswire Today, allows you to submit your press release. It can get picked up by international news outlets. It gets put across many different websites, and you can get backlinks and actual traffic to your site if your press release, intrigues people. There's Pressbox.co.uk. That's a very popular site. They allow you to do those free press releases. Okay? There's Free Press Release. And you can see, if we check this out over at Alexa, you can see it's in the top 10,000 of most popular websites. Think about that. There are millions of sites out there, and you can get a link from a site that's in the top 10,000. That's just awesome. Awesome what you can do with press releases. There's PR.com, another real popular press release website. One of the most popular. You could submit your free press release right there. And all these press release services, they have upsells. Like, you can pay more. You can pay a fee to get your website, strewn across different multiple avenues. I recommend, when you're just starting, go ahead, use their free services before you start buying any press release distribution. And the truth of the matter is, with all these free press release services, you don't have to spend the money. But I definitely do recommend that you start using some free press releases in your free traffic generation strategies.